New Mexico Cancer Center and Health Specialists of New Mexico are the proud sponsor of Health and Wellness on New Mexico Living.
Good morning. My name is Tim Tokarski. I am the Executive Director of the New Mexico Cancer Center Foundation. The New Mexico Cancer Center Foundation was established in 2002 to support the non-medical financial needs of cancer patients while they're going through treatment. So we develop programming, provide funding for things such as rents, mortgages, utilities, nutrition, transportation, to keep cancer patients in treatment, to complete treatment, and then to return to their communities. So National Caregivers Day, it is, as its name goes, national. It is a day to recognize the role that caregivers play in the lives of cancer patients while they're going through treatment. Well, actually, after treatment as well. The caregivers are often overlooked with the sacrifices that they make, the commitment that they make to their loved ones, whether a spouse, a child, a parent. You know, the transportation becomes a challenge, the social and emotional support. And caregivers oftentimes feel like, you know, if they don't do it, nobody else will. And so they sacrifice their personal needs. They sacrifice, you know, recharging and disconnecting and their own personal health to take care of the other person. And so this is a day to recognize that sacrifice, to celebrate the caregivers and the roles that they play. For caregivers, I think that one of the biggest services that support them is connecting them with opportunity for respite. The caregiver role often is a 24/7 thing, and as treatment goes on, the caregivers tend to get run down and don't have a lot of options for somebody to come in for the weekend or for the day to take care of stuff. So we try and connect them with services that will provide some respite support, as well as support groups for caregivers, where they can talk about their feelings. And oftentimes, like when a caregiver expresses a need to take care of themselves, there's a guilt, you know, because they sort of feel a little bit selfish around that type of stuff. And those are natural feelings, and sharing that with other people who are in similar situations can have a huge benefit with that. And then just recognizing their role and celebrating them in the commitment that they took on is something that's really important as well. So it's a real challenge coming up with resources to support our patients and caregivers. If you'd like to support some of our programming and the caregivers in our community, you can make a direct donation to the foundation through our website, thefountationnm.org. Or you could, if you have a service, so we partner with some cleaning agencies who will clean homes free of charge. If you have a service that you would like to provide or could provide at a discounted cost, you can reach out to me through our foundation website as well.